Hello, welcome to how to solve this math problem, square root of 2 minus 1 whole to the power 12. First of all, we suppose that this square root of 2 is equal to a and this one is equal to b. Let a is equal to square root of 2 and b is equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of a minus b whole to the power 12. If we take a square of both sides of this equation, then a square is equal to 2, and if we take a square of both sides of this equation, then b square is equal to 1, and if we multiply this equation by this equation, then ab is equal to square root of 2 times 1 square root of 2, and if we take a square of both sides of this equation, then a square times b square is equal to 2. Now we find the value of this a minus b whole to the power 12. We have to find the value of a minus b whole to the power 12, that is equal to a minus b whole square and whole to the power 6. Next, according to algebraic identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this is whole to the power 6. Next, now here we put the value of a square 2 from here, and here we put the value of b square 1 from here. Value of a square 2 minus 2ab plus value of b square 1 whole to the power 6. Next, 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2ab whole to the power 6. Next, we can write this 3 minus 2ab whole to the power 6 as 3 minus 2ab whole square and whole to the power 3. Next, according to algebraic identity, x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. This 3 minus 2ab whole square is equal to 3 square minus 2 times 3 times 2ab plus 2ab square and whole to the power 3. Next, 3 square is 9 minus 2 times 3 6 and 6 times 2ab 12ab plus 2 square is 4 and ab square a square b square and whole to the power 3. Next, 9 minus 12ab plus 4 times, here we put the value of a square b square, from here the value of a square b square 2, the value of a square b square is 2, here we put the value of a square b square 2 whole to the power 3. Next, this 9 plus this 4 times 2 8, 17 minus this 12ab 12ab whole to the power 3. Next, we use here an algebraic identity, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Here this 17 is as x and this 12ab is as y. So according to this identity, this 17 minus 12ab whole cube is equal to 17 cube minus 12ab cube minus 3 times 17 square times 12ab plus 3 times 17 times 12ab square. Next, 17 cube is equal to 4913 minus 12 cube is equal to 1728 and ab cube is equal to a cube b cube minus 17 square is 289 and 289 times 3 867 times 12ab plus 3 times 17 51 times square of 12 is 144 and square of ab a square b square. Next, 4913 minus 1728, we can write this a cube b cube as a square b square times ab minus 867 times 12 is equal to 10404 ab plus 51 times 144 is equal to 7344 a square b square. Next, now here we put the values of a square b square, ab, here the value of ab and here value of a square b square. The value of a square b square is equal to 2 and the value of ab is equal to square root of 2. Value of a square b square is equal to 2 and value of ab is equal to square root of 2. So this expression becomes 4913 minus 1728 times value of a square b square 2 times value of ab square root of 2 minus 10404 times value of ab square root of 2 plus 7344 value of a square b square from here 2 times 2. Next, 4913 minus 1728 times 2 3456 times square root of 2 minus 10404 times square root of 2 plus 7344 times 2 is equal to 14688. Next, now we add these two terms 4913 plus 14688 and these two terms 4913 plus 14688 is equal to 19 601, and minus 3456 times square root of 2 minus 10404 times square root of 2 is equal to minus 13860 times square root of 2. This is the final answer, that is approximately equal to 0.0000255.